Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you all of the cute outfits that I packed for vacation. By the time this video does go up, I will literally be on a cruise ship headed over to Bermuda, and I literally cannot wait. I've never been and I'm super excited about it. I packed about 2 outfits per day, giving myself a little bit of extra outfits just in case I decide that I'm not feeling what I currently picked. You know how us girls are. We need a little bit of options. So I went with something a little bit casual during the day to walk around the boat or to walk around Bermuda, and then something a little bit more dressed up for dinner and then any after hour activities. If you enjoy this video, please let me know by giving a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you guys are interested in seeing what I packed, then please keep watching. Starting off with during the day, I decided to go with this really cute romper that hits about the ankle, and I am about 5'1", so if you are taller, it's probably going to hit you mid-calf. And I found this at Old Navy and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. It's this yellow floral printed romper, which is super cute. Because we are going to be doing a lot of walking, I decided to pair it with these cute Guess sandals. Nothing too crazy, but definitely something that is cute and casual that I can walk around the island with. Sticking with the whole romper theme, I found this cute little short romper from Forever 21. And if you follow me on Instagram, I did do a kind of fashion try-on haul. And I wasn't too sure about it, but a lot of you guys voted and said that you really liked it. I actually ended up pairing it with this belt that's going to go around the waist. It did, of course, come with a matching belt. I always find that when you switch out the belt, it kind of elevates the look a bit. And that's when I absolutely fell in love with it. I am going to still pair it with the same Guess sandals because, again, I'm walking around either the boat or Bermuda, and I'm not really trying to be too cute where my feet are hurting me throughout the whole entire day. The next outfit is definitely one of my favorites, and I picked up this blue and white striped pant from H&M, and I decided to pair it with just a plain white bodysuit. I like how just simple that this look is. Then I decided to pair it with one of my favorite and most comfortable sandals from Steve Madden. And what I love most about it is they're kind of gladiator sandals, so you do wrap them around your ankle, and I think that this is such a cute outfit. Next, going a little bit more effortless, I definitely have a bunch of dresses and rompers and easy pieces that I can throw on, and I picked up this really nice off the shoulder red floral printed dress from Forever 21, and then it has a nice slit on the side on both sides, so it's just going to be very airy and allow a lot of air to come through and a lot of movement. And I love the fact that it cinches in at the waist because that's where I am the thinnest, right underneath the bust, so it gives me that really nice shape. I also forgot to mention with that dress, I'm going to pair it again with the Guess sandals. The thing that I like to do a lot of the times when I am packing for vacation, I like to wear the same shoes with multiple different outfits so I don't have to overpack, and before you know it, I have 10 different pairs of shoes to go with 10 different outfits. We don't got time for that, okay? You always need at least a cute pair of distressed jeans. So I picked these up from H&M, and I'm going to pair this with one of my all-time favorites. It's this really nice flowy white shirt that's off the shoulder, and I decided to actually pair this with a new pair of sandals that I recently just picked up, and that is going to be these. These sandals are the cutest because they have a lot of jeweled detail with some multicolored fringe, and I think this is really going to make the outfit pop because it gives you that pop of color while still staying casual and neutral. This shirt is literally one of my all-time favorite new purchases. I picked this up from Forever 21. As soon as I saw it online, I knew I had to get it. And it is this really bright floral off the shoulder top, and it did come in, I believe, red, but I thought that the green would be a little bit more complementary to my skin tone. I decided to pair this with some of my jeans that are ripped on the knee, and I picked these up from Zara. They're definitely one of my go-to pairs of jeans. This top makes me look so skinny and definitely boosts my confidence when I wear it. So I did pair it with a pair of jeans, but if it is a little bit hot that day, I can always pair it with some white some white shorts that I did pick up from Old Navy, or I can pair it with the denim shorts that I just showed you. I then even threw in this floral printed dress that I picked up from Lulu's a while back, and this is one of my go-to all-time favorite dresses. It cinches me in right underneath the bust, and something that I can easily just throw on during the day and walk around. And I'm sorry I didn't mention that what I'm going to be pairing shoes wise with the previous outfits, but I'm going to either go with these jeweled shoe, or I'm also going to pair it with the Guess sandals as well. The last casual outfit that I do have, I'm going to just throw on a casual t-shirt, one of my Run DMC t-shirts, and I paired it with these shorts that I picked up from Forever 21. They're a lot more distressed than the other ones, so I thought this was a nice casual outfit. For this look, I'm going to pair it with the loafers that I picked up from Shein, and they just have a tiger on the front of them and something really easy, casual to walk around in. I probably will be going onto the cruise ship with these just because they're always my go-to flat. So now on to the night outfits. They're a little bit more elevated and dressed up because we will be going to dinner and going out, you know, on the town at nighttime. So there is going to be an all white party. So I picked up this really cute romper from Forever 21, and it has this nice frilly detail down at the bottom, and then a floral detail in the front as well. And I'm not quite sure, but I'm either going to pair them with the Steve Madden brown sandals, or I'm going to go with these gold heels that have a little bit of jewel detail down at the front. They're super comfortable. I had them for literally ever, and I think it's something that would look nice with this kind of all white outfit. This beauty is, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this dress. I actually purchased it right after I had Riley last year to go to a wedding, and I don't even know what I was thinking because my body was not ready yet, but now I can actually fit into it, and I am super excited about it. This is something I actually got from Lola Shoutique, and it's this really nice form-fitting dress that has a slit in the front. And what I like most about it is it has a strap, but then on the side you can tie a cute little bow, so it just falls off the shoulder, and it's gorgeous. So definitely something I'm excited to wear, and then I'm going to wear it with those gold heels. For the most part, the night outfits are just going to be the gold heel because a lot of the outfits that I'm going to be wearing at night are going to be a little bit longer style outfits, a lot of maxi dresses. Do not judge this one. It's on the hanger, but it's one of those multi-tie dresses, if that makes sense. This is from Lulu's, and I purchased this a couple years ago, and it's one of those you can wrap it and style the dress so many different ways, and it's so easy and effortless to throw on. It's very light and comfortable, and it moves beautifully. So that's why you're just going to see these two basic straps in the front, but I'm going to be able to style it however I want. This orange one is actually a maternity dress. I did wear it to my baby shower. If you saw that video, if you did not, I will leave it linked up here. But that is besides the point. This dress is gorgeous, and it is off the shoulder a bit, so it does have a strap, and then it has this nice frilly detailed sleeve. Even though before I did have a big belly, it fits very nice. I wasn't sure if it was going to be too big, but you can't even tell it's a maternity dress at all. It's not short, but it's probably to the knee, and it has this nice floral detail in the front. And then again, I'm going to pair it with those gold sandals that I showed you guys earlier. Can you tell I like print? Because this dress, guys, obsessed. I am obsessed with this. I saw it online at Forever 21, and I actually was planning on cutting it and making it more of a knee length dress. But as soon as I tried this on, I knew it had to be a maxi dress. It had to stay a maxi dress, and I am so excited to wear this. Again, I did put this on my Instagram story, so maybe you guys should follow me and see what type of outfits I like to wear. But this one is gorgeous. It does have a belt, which I don't know. Oh, it does have a matching belt, but in this case, the matching belt is complementary to the outfit. So I decided to keep it instead of switching it out with the brown one. But this dress is amazing. If you have caught on, I also like color. So I found this really nice maxi dress that is orange, and it did come in other colors. I believe it was yellow and white, but I knew I had to get the orange, and orange is actually my favorite color. A little something about me, but I love the color orange, and it has this nice button detail all the way down. And this one, I'm not really sure if I'm going to need to wear heels because, like I told you, I am short. I'm 5'1", so a lot of the times I do have to pair a lot of my maxi dresses with high heels just because otherwise they'd be dragging all over the floor. But this one is really gorgeous as well. It has this nice frilly detail on the shoulder, so I thought that was really pretty as well. Last and certainly but not least is going to be this romper that I picked up from H&M. And I love how it cinches in right down near the belly area. So it just cinches in that waist, and it's short. It comes with pockets. Yes. And it is long sleeve, but the material is so light. And then it just snaps up. So it does give you a little bit of cleavage, but it is such a stunning piece that I will forever keep this in my closet. So those are all of the outfits that I packed for vacation. Let me know in the comment section which outfit was your favorite. Also, let me know where is your favorite place to shop, whether it's online or in the store. I would love to hear and chat with you guys down in the comment section. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Before you head out, make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video. And I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.